Well, today I'm sitting in a 2021 Hyundai i20, and this is the mild hybrid version. Now, if you're driving a car like I am and you find it really annoying that the lane assist is always on, I can show you how to turn that off right now. Now, there's two ways to do it. To do it more permanently, you actually have to set up a driver profile. But if you're just borrowing the car or you're renting it, you may just want to have to turn it off pretty much every time you turn the car on. So it's quite annoying, but I'll show you how to do it now. So start the car. Once it's started, we're going to come over to the main screen and we're going to hit setup. Then on the top left, there's vehicle. I'm just going to give that a tap. And then you scroll all the way to the bottom and there's lane safety. And then it's always defaults to assist. You can have warning only, so it just beeps when you cross a lane, or you can just turn it off and that won't take over the steering or beep at you. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel.